Pretty cool. One, two, three, four of them right there. That's a hatchery fish, that one. Blurred out. Too much brushing between me and the fish. Pretty cool. There you see that big fish right there. Big old salmon. It's archery season now. It's too hot. I'm not hunting yet, but did see a spike and a cow. Down right off my property. I just thought I'd run out here and look at the fish. So I gotta go feed firefighters for a couple days. Help a buddy out. Here's another one coming up the rapid down here. So cool where I live. God's country up here. Hope everything's good in you guys' lives. Up here feeding firefighters.
Sorry, I was saying no, you're fine. But
Oh, beautiful sunset behind me. They're mainly sending them out to their camps, so not a whole lot of people here, but it's getting smoky's big, moon's bright. Hope everything's good.
I'll see your little twig and raise you.
That just came out of the sky.
Yep.
Tyler just grabbed that, just fell out of the sky. Well, no wonder it jumped the river, huh?
Yeah, is that fucking big column you see going up there?
Yeah.
That's like the top end of Fourth Creek. That's like Wheeler Mountain right
Right over in Wheeler.
there. But it's clean up in the McGuire Burns car now. Top end of Big Creek, you know.
Yeah. It's blowing up, boys. That's not a cloud. That's smoke. That really came all the way. No wonder it's jumping. Huh. Well, it's 3 in the morning. Moon's up. Cooks are up. Everybody else is sleeping. So anyway, we're getting breakfast ready. Days start early in fire camp when you're cooking. It's all this guy's fault right here. That's the brains behind the operation. We'll call this, I don't know what we're going to call this, madness. Fire camp madness. What? Hey, Tyler done a lot for me through life. Teach me to pack and guide. All sorts of things.
He tried to wake up in the morning.
Gotta get up in the morning.
We got a big pot of coffee.
Alright, enough of the bullshit with the phone. Yeah, I'll show you guys this, I just noticed.
Yep.
Hey,
Actually, you know what? I might.
brought this in.
Light fire in the snow.
Damn
Won't be long.
Cold in here. See all of our rats. How many we got out so far? 52?
48.
48.
Well, with these 4, so you have 52 plated up.
Beating 180 firefighters this morning.
And 52 plated up.
Everything's frozen. frozen's
Say
cold.
cheese.
Empty pan. These little French toast things, they're pretty sweet. They're French toast, omelet, sausage, spicy.
Ready.
We're on it. Well, first rush is gone. That's all frosty. 21 this morning, Fahrenheit. A little freezing. Beautiful valley. Cold down this valley though. Well, we got the first rush of them out. They're frosted pretty hard. Pretty frozen. You could ride on the windows. Oh. Probably slow that fire down a little bit, maybe. Shit. Still up here feeding firefighters. That big old plume up behind me. Right.
What this
Yeah.
kid actually,
Oh.
no, they did get serious.
Just got the word that we were done Saturday at lunch. Maybe we'll go bow hunting, chase some wolves. Back to wolfing. Right, Mark?
Saturday, your last day?
Yeah.
That's what they told you?
Yeah, we got the official word today.
Back to wolfing.
We served breakfast.
I used to always come out here with my little cousin and we'd swim with these fish. Oh, beautiful spot. Love it out here. I say I hope everything's going good in you guys' lives. Got some stuff going on that I'm not going to talk about. It's personal, but I just hope you guys are having good health and wellness and happiness in your lives. You know, tell the loved ones you love them. Don't take it for granted. Every day we have on this earth is precious, so you never know what the good Lord's got in store. So I am a religious man. I do believe in God and Christ, and everything's in His hands. So everything happens for a reason. But just hope all you guys are doing good out there. So I'm out here just enjoying it. Get my mind on some things today. I'm gonna go check on the fish, see how they're doing. Probably gonna start doing a little bow hunting here shortly, if it'll cool off some. So anyway, health and happiness, and God bless to y'all. They wouldn't even want to live anywhere else.